Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, friends, amongst the operating system nor component chi Pakistan security policies na the security policy of the Gashani security model, the security label, the privilege management and trusted for the tool now was the security policy. No security policy simply matlab dar is among come security matlab come subject chide your user chide your object matlab your file ya resources basanga access kai lagi the par chikam policies di chikam specific policy chi pakam base pani your file se access ki the specific the policy the guideline di okay the security kernel the para security kernel policy is security policy define the root and constraint to dictate how subject user process can access object file resources. The setup guideline that the security kernel input does see the setup guideline the security in security kernel is inputs kai security model security model matlab your structure your approach provide key to implement the security policy security model that provide key structure approach to implement the security policy and define how subject are identified how access control decision are made matlab your subject basang identify ki aw access control decision basang ki and how the overall security system operate aw two security system basang operate ki. The security model provide a structured approach to implement the security policy. Your structured approach to the security policy basang apply ki and define how subject are identify. Aw subject to basang identify ki how access control decision are made. Aw accessing control decision basang ki and how the overall security system operate. Aw the two security system basang operate ki. Okay. Security labels. The security label are used to take subject and object with the attribute to indicate their security classification and clearance. So security label simple kar dai ki matlab the subject ko object se our specific tag key cho the purpose for the identification base easy. These labels are used by the access control mechanism to make access decision. The method should use key access the method use key no these labels are used by the access control mechanism. Access control का mechanism चाहिए that tag या the label से की use की to make access decision the access decision पर दिमानी होगी privilege management simple मतलब दार है कि suppose मंग your user your subject your resources access के लिए ठीक ना मतलब अगर तो सुमर पूरे privilege दा resource की use की the security kernel manage and puts a different level of privilege for the various user and process. This ensure that the user only have the necessary permission to perform their task and not more मतलब जिसमें ना हम कम privilege दा privilege ना ज़्यादा your resource दे सुमरा memory work लेशे विदा पर इसका यो user ला बाकी सुमरा नोट दिस function चीज़ operating system चीज़ perform की चीज़ अगर limit न सकी ज़्यादा use नहीं के okay trust बाद मतलब दारी चीज़ user ले दिस path work या दिस mechanism work चीज़ अगर securely सकी system use की okay और दाशनी attacker सकी माने की the different type of attacks ना monolithic security kernel चीज़ ज़मान से असल की दादा सी operating system core component है और दासा कि it enforces the security policy by tightly integrating security mechanism with the rest of the operating system component. Monolithic kernel are efficient and have low overhead. Okay. Simple ज़मान से चीज़ का monolithic kernel चीज़ ज़मान से the operating system चीज़ core component है ठीक दा it enforces security policy by tightly integrating security mechanism with the rest of the operating system और ज़मान से कि enforce की security policy operating system की the operating system the security the simple word की चीज़ मतलब the monolithic kernel चीज़ कम नोर mechanism चीज़ दा से कि integrate कई operating system कि monolithic kernel are efficient and have low overhead but can be complex to manage and maintain. Monolithic component चीज़ kernel चीज़ are efficient ज़मान से efficient थे and have low overhead. Okay, और the cost कम है but can be complex to manage and maintain बल्कि the complexity शेयर ज़्यादा था. Okay, monolithic kernel चीज़ ज़मान से operating system component है और दा शानी security नोर security mechanism चीज़ operating system से कई integrate कई. Okay. Okay, so microkernels जिसे बे microkernel चीज़ ज़मान से असल की security system is like having the important security stuff in a separate area from the regular computer function. Adoption micro kernel chide security system is like having the important security stuff in a separate area from the regular computer function. Adoption micro kernel chide मतलब दस के operating system नोर extra like security और security नोर extra और कई यदि purpose वाले चिकम नोर इंतहाई component दी जागा पर the authentication of the security डेज या ज़रूरत है ठीक दा नागा से कि the micro kernel हागा function परफॉर्म कई so जागा से मतलब authentication शो authorization शो जो दे purpose पर मतलब easily चीज़ disturb नहीं शिदा कोड ठीक दा The goal is to make the part need to be super secure. The part secure separate which is security small is possible, so there is a less chance to bad guy to mess with it of the Russian attack different type of technology. Okay, thank you so much.